Hi there everyone, I'm Melissa Mulligan. I'm a graduate of BS Psychology and I'm currently working here at Puerto Galera Language School as an English teacher. Here at PGLI, we support our students by teaching and assisting them about their lessons. We also provide learning activities and materials to make it easier and enjoyable for them to study English. Students receive individual attention and help with English vocabulary and pronunciation. Because of one-on-one ratio, each student has ample time to practice speaking in English. And it also allows the teacher to concentrate on what the student needs and interests. At first, I find it hard to teach English because I sometimes fail to interpret their ideas correctly and also because of our cultural differences. But later on, I was able to understand their thoughts and feelings easily. So if you have any concerns or inquiries, you are welcome to approach me anytime. I am looking forward to see you soon. I assure that you will have a rewarding, memorable, and personalized learning experience here at PGLI. See ya!